Warfighter lethality requires the strongest metals known to man. Sadly, millions of dollars of military equipment is produced with metals that are at risk due to exposure to corrosion plus catastrophic wear. These mil-spec metals wear out because of stress imparted at the molecular level. This is the reason your planes are grounded and rifles grow inaccurate. The metal they're made with eventually warps and fails. At 300 below, we know you want to trust that your rifles are accurate and brakes will stop hard. The problem is untreated metals pose a threat to your equipment and can keep your vehicles and planes in the maintenance bay. Defense equipment is frankly defenseless when it's in the shop again and again. We believe you shouldn't have to question the durability of your equipment. Every unit must be field ready at all times. What if you could upgrade every firearm, plane, and vehicle in your unit to industry-leading performance in just 36 hours? As an AFWERX SBIR grant recipient, we provide an ASM-accepted extension of heat treatment to make metals last longer and perform better than ever before. Here's how we do it. Backed by 50 years of experience using cryogenic technology, we use a deep freeze process to permanently realign metal molecular structures. We reduce cracks and gaps at the molecular level, minimizing metal failure to shield your equipment from breaking down. Costs and risks of failing metals in combat are measured in lives, not dollar signs. In our work with America's largest private vehicle fleet, our cryo-rotor brakes help municipal buses stop 10% sooner. We also serve the world's most accurate firearms manufacturers, including Rock River Arms. Our one-time cryogenic treatment process permanently upgrades your metals, making firearms 50% more accurate, and brake rotors last twice as long. If you're ready to reduce vehicle downtime, extend maintenance intervals, and keep your shots tight on target, we'll help you protect your top-performing equipment from breakdowns and inaccuracy, so you can trust your tools to do the job. Stop by booth 515 in Tampa to find out which metals are at risk, or schedule a call with our research team to treat and evaluate your mil-spec metals.